Interpreting function points and slope in an application context. So here's the story. Ancient Egyptian workers are pushing a crate of stones along the ground. So they're like this. And they're leaning on this crate and it has stones in it. And they're pushing it along the ground. But more stones are being put in the crate as they push it. So as they push it and it comes to here, there's even more stones all in there. So it's getting heavier. The weight W pounds of the crate is a function of X feet, which was the distance the workers have pushed it away from the initial pile of stones. And it's according to W of X equals 10x plus 2. So interpret the point 4, 42 in this context. Or they could say, what does W of 4 equals 42 mean in this context? So 442 means that when the workers have moved the crate 4 feet away from the pile, it now weighs 42 pounds because stones were being put into it as they were moving it. Okay? So they could have also said, what does W of 4 equals 42 mean? There's 4 feet, 42 pounds. The slope of Wx, which is 10x plus 2, is the slope equals 10. But you can't just answer 10 in a application context. You have to explain what it is. The units of the 10, the slope, are in pounds per foot. Pounds per foot. And you know that because the 10x is the weight, and that's in pounds. The x is in feet. So the 10 has to be in pounds per foot so that the feet can cancel out and give you pounds for your answer. Another way of looking at that is on a graph. If you graph W of x, it'd be feet on this axis and W pounds on the vertical. So when you do delta y over delta x, the delta y part is in pounds on the vertical axis and feet are on the horizontal axis. That's another way you can see that. So up here, the slope is 10 pounds per foot. And 10 you can write as 10 over 1 pounds per foot. So this means that for every 1 foot the crate is moved from the pile, it increases 10 pounds in weight. 10 to 1. 10 pounds per 1 foot. For C, the y-intercept. The y-intercept for the function is 0, 2. When x is 0, the W of x is 2. It means that when the crate is at the pile, which is 0 feet away from the pile, as it was originally, it weighed 2 pounds already before there was any stones put in it.